Kamong mga batanon, mga malipayon, dinha sa pagbuhat ug maayo alang sa uban, alang sa simbahan ug alang usab labi na gayon sa kahimayaan sa atong Ginoong Dios. Padayon, barog, adunay kaiso o pagtuo dinha sa pagtubang sa kalibutan, kaya naa kita magkuyog uban sa Dios sa pagtubang nining tanan.
As a youth, we are not perfect. We commit mistakes and learn from it. We make it as our inspiration to become a better person.
Pagsalig sa kaugalingon o pagdawat sa kung unsa ka o unsay anaa kanimo, mao kini ang angay hinumduman isip usa ka batan-on. Ang pagdawat sa kamatuoran nga lahi ka sa uban, nga anaay mga butang nga ikaw ray naa o anaay mga butang nga wala ka.
Batanon ako ug kalipay ko nga mahimong ehemplo sa uban nga mga batanon.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams when no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you, and you just gotta ignite a light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth, and make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst and make 'em go You're gonna leave 'em all in you're gonna leave 'em all in You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you'll know that you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just